This is the chocolate chip bread that Toto and I made yesterday, and we're going to make him French toast with this bread. Let's get started. A nice slice, and then we're gonna take these slices and cut them in half, so that way we have 4 slices. Grab an egg and break that right into my bowl. The egg. I'm going to add some milk, about, I want to say like half a cup of milk. With the milk. I'm going to take a touch of cream, add some cream, about a pinch of salt, so some cinnamon, just a few dashes. So now we're going to soak the bread, and it's just right into our custard. Ooh. By the way, my pan is already heating up on the stove. I didn't add any sugar to the custard just because it's chocolate chip bread. And then he's also gonna add syrup to this and fresh fruit. I don't need to add any more sugar. So I have my pan that's on the stove. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of butter right in there. I thought the pan was heating up. Apparently it was just hanging out. Now, our butter is nice and toasty. Alright, we're gonna give our French toast a little flip. I think it's best if you use a spatula. Don't be like me. Alright, so I've cut up some strawberries for, I don't know, garnish and fruits. Our French toast. Just really big pieces. And of course, my light would die right in the middle of me recording. It would come out. Just a touch of maple syrup because it's chocolate chip bread. And there you have it. Breakfast.